Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I'm going to be decorating 2 of these pumpkins in pink in honor of Breast Cancer Awareness. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now make sure and click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now what I'm doing here is I had a little bit of a white paint and a little bit of this really dark deep pink. So I mixed them together to get this beautiful color. And so I'm going to be painting these 2 pumpkins in that color, and then we'll move on to the next step. Now the goal for breast cancer awareness campaigns is to raise public awareness for breast cancer detection, treatment, and the need for a reliable and permanent cure. So what is cancer awareness and why is that important? Cancer awareness is the key to early detection and better health-seeking behavior. So cancer is quite common in both developing as well as developed countries, but awareness is yet poor among the general population. And poor awareness may lead to poor uptake or taking care of yourself, and screenings could be delayed, and so therefore prolonging a diagnosis. Let me just say it like this. The faster you get diagnosed, the faster you get treated, the easier it is for you to recover from breast cancer, and the less likeliness it is for it to spread. So how can we spread the news about mammograms and saving lives? Well, we can raise awareness about risk factors, share survivor stories, become an ambassador, take part in national, regional, and local fundraising events. Raise awareness of helpful resources, care services, and support groups. So I'm going to see if I can go ahead and link some resources for you below in the description box. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I finish coloring these pumpkins. Now here I decided to go ahead and use this glitter, which is a champagne gold, to sprinkle over the top of these pumpkins. I thought that would make it look so beautiful. Now we have to go ahead and leave this sit to dry, and we'll be right back. So now here, what I decided to do was use the adhesive glue to go ahead and glue these leaves and these florals to the top of that pumpkin. I didn't feel like starting the glue gun, and I think this worked out even better. Now, I didn't feel like turning on the glue gun, and I wasn't in the rush for the pumpkins to dry, so I went ahead and used this cement adhesive that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Remember, when you're using an adhesive, you want to allow 24 to 48 hours of drying time, and so that's what I did. Now these pumpkins turned out absolutely gorgeous. So I think we're almost ready for the reveal, guys. So I do hope you enjoyed the video on the awareness of breast cancer. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.